Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how you can create your first RAG system. If you're a beginner and you're just getting started, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest way you can create a RAG system in just like a few minutes. So this is what we're building today. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this. So let's get started. So hop on a new workflow. So on n8n, click on create new workflow, and then we're gonna add our first step. Okay, our first step is gonna be a form. So click on form, n8n form, add on, and then here the title. Okay, the title we can do whatever you want. I'm gonna just do knowledge base. Add form element. Okay, so click on it, give a name, file. The element type is gonna be file, and here the accepted file we're gonna do .pdf. Okay, make this required, click on it. Now we're gonna add our vector store. Okay, so we're gonna be using quadrant for this one. So click here, quadrant vector store, and add document to vector store. And now here you're gonna see here quadrant collection. Okay, change this to by ID, and then just type a name. Okay, you're gonna just do knowledge. Okay, and then we need to add embeddings. Okay, so click here, embeddings, and choose the embedding you want to work with. I'm gonna just do this Olama. It's running local on my machine, so I'm gonna just do this one. And now we need to add the data loader. Okay, click here, data loader, and then we need to change one thing here, type of the data. Okay, from JSON to binary. Now make sure this is our input data, and text splitting. Okay, so I have a smaller document, so I'm gonna just do custom, and I'm gonna add recursive character text splitting. Okay, this is the most recommended for the most use case. So click on it, and then here I'm gonna change the chunk size. Okay, so like I said, I have a smaller document, so I'm gonna just do 500 by 100. Okay, so this part is done. So now make sure you save this. Okay, now click here, execute workflow. It's gonna open a little form. So you're just gonna click here, choose file, and then choose a file that you have that you want to test it. I just create this knowledge base using ChatGPT. I just told ChatGPT to create a knowledge base about an Italian restaurant, okay, for a training purpose. Okay, so it create this file for me. So choose the file that you have. We're gonna submit, and now if you go back here, you're gonna see it's gonna add to my vector store. And now how I can check that? I can go to my quadrant. If I click here, and I do / dashboard, and you can see knowledge base. Okay, that's the one that I just added. So now let's go back to my workflow. Now we're gonna add another trigger, and this trigger is gonna be on chat. Okay, to test it out. So on chat, we're gonna add AI agent, and then we're gonna go add a model. Choose the model that you want to work with. I'm gonna just use ChatGPT for this video, and then add a memory. We're gonna do Postgres for memory, and now I need to add here the quadrant vector store. Okay, and now here description to retrieve database. Okay, just do that. From listing, I'm gonna choose what you just created, the knowledge. Limit can keep 4, and now this is fine. We're gonna add now embeddings to this. I'm gonna use the same. Okay, and that's it. Now this is ready. Let's test it out and see how this works. Okay, so make sure you save, open the chat, and now let's see. Let's click on my document. Here's the file that I created using ChatGPT. Just a knowledge base about an Italian restaurant in Sacramento. Has all the information, and here has a menu with the hours and everything. So let's ask something just to see if you use the knowledge base. Okay, for example, let's ask, do you have any entry with chicken? Just to see if it's gonna use the vector store knowledge base. Okay, and you see already use, access that, and now that's the answer. And yes, they have a chicken, a pollo parmigiana. Yeah, and then give me all the description, mozzarella, spaghetti, and the price. Okay, Now if you go back there and double check, yeah, it's right here. Bread chicken, marinara, mozzarella, and the price. Okay, so it does work. So it does and access the knowledge base inside your vector store. Okay, so this is a dynamic way you can insert the knowledge base for your agent. Okay, but yes, that's it, guys. Really simple. Like I said, this is the easiest and the quickest way you can do it. If you have any questions, just please drop a comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.